One of the newest training technologies is augmented reality, or AR for short. It requires trainees to wear a headset or glasses, like an oversized pair of sunglasses. They can still see their physical environment, but the headset projects graphics and video onto the screen so it lays over their view of the physical environment. They can reach out and touch the graphics, play sound and video, and access additional information by interacting with the content. AR is now being used by a variety of industries, including healthcare and manufacturing. You've probably heard of virtual reality, which is slightly different. Virtual reality simulates an entirely separate and artificial environment, while AR only projects digital elements onto our view of the real physical world. Augmented reality is one of the most interactive training methods that we've learned about in this module. Trainees can interact with other learners, trainers, experts, and even other employees who are not part of the training group. The defining feature of this method, however, is the degree to which trainees can interact with the content. They can access data in real time and different kinds of visuals, like diagrams and instruction manuals, all while working. AR is often used to complement other methods. After completing classroom instruction, for example, trainees can use the technology to continue learning and support transfer on the job. One of the other advantages is that this technology is highly customizable and relatively easy to keep up to date with the latest information. One of the most significant challenges to implementing AR technology is the cost. Not only does it cost tens of thousands of dollars to develop the content, it also costs at least $1,000 per headset. The current design of AR headsets requires a very bright display and uses significant battery power in a short amount of time. This limits the application of AR because it's not useful for some work, like outdoor jobs. Plus, some people, like myself, experience headaches, nausea, and dizziness after wearing AR headsets for even a short amount of time.